Fortunato. And then if you look back here, you can see the beautiful blue Swift Springs. All right, guys, today is the day. As you can see, got my Fortunato coilovers, got the F82, currently running Eibach lowering springs, but as you can see, the drop just really isn't to my liking. So had these coilovers for a while now, and I just haven't had the time to get them installed. So getting them installed today, and then gonna do my best to get an alignment ASAP, pretty much. So anyways, let's get to it. I know it's been a little while since I last posted. Kind of took a little break from YouTube for a little bit and had a lot of crazy stuff going on. Wedding planning. We actually bought a house, so yeah, man. Got a new job, really just focused on just life stuff, you know. Kind of put the YouTube on the back burner for a little bit, but we're back now. And I thought, what better video to return to YouTube, you know, with coilover video. So you can see that that's about a 2-finger gap, I believe. Let's check. It's about a one and a half or so. You can almost fit 2 fingers all the way in. But anyways, I'm super stoked. I think that the drop will be money. I'll go over my specs in a little bit, but you can see that there's just enough tire poke to drop it down and have just a really good fitment. I'll show you the back. I'm running 305s in the rear, so you can see there's just enough tire poking out. Probably won't run any spacers at all, unless needed. So here's the unboxing. So obviously you got your tools. Came with new end links, which is pretty cool. So here they are. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I love the blue and the green. I think they look so good. So obviously front shock, rear spring, and the specs I went with an 8-inch rear spring, 160 kilograms in the rear, 80 kilograms in the front. 60 millimeters is the spring ID, I believe. So what the Fortunato rep told me was that an 8-inch rear spring, like this one right here, we'll put the rear right at the tire. And so I currently have about a 1-inch or 1-finger gap. And so putting that right at the tire would be money fitment. So as you can see, man, so excited. So excited. So pretty much plug and play. You don't need any extra parts. Comes with the end links, like I said. And again, man, do a last little walk around before I give you guys an update on the fitment after. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Also, obviously, there's Swift springs. You have the option to go with Swift springs, or I don't know, whatever their basic spring is. That comes default or stock on Fortunatos. I went with Swift because a little bit of an upgrade, and I think in order to go with an 8-inch rear spring, you have to go with Swift springs. So that's that. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so it is officially a few days later. I got the Fortunato coilovers installed on Thursday, kept the car in the shop overnight, and got an alignment done on Friday. So as of the time I'm filming this, it's Sunday. And yeah, let me show you the results. So here she is. You can see that there's still a pretty big gap. Now, I told my tech that I wanted about a finger width gap all around. The suspension has settled a little bit. Springs have settled a little bit since we got them installed. I went with Swift springs, and I think I already mentioned the weightings of the springs and everything like that, and the IDs, but basically the springs should settle anywhere between 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch over the next couple weeks as I drive, and the springs get settled in. So that ideally will give me a good drop, and you can see here you can easily fit a finger in. So ideally I want the height to come down a little over another 1/4 inch or so in the front, and then the rear, we're almost there. I'd say maybe 1/8 of an inch. I wouldn't be mad with a 1/4 inch. Bring it right to the tire maybe. There's a lot of space in here up above the fender, and so I could tuck a little bit and definitely get, I mean, honestly, probably 1/2 inch of drop and I'd be fine. No rubbing. So, but yeah, we'll see. Let's see how that all turns out. I got the old suspension in here. Like I said earlier, I was running Eibach springs. I don't think you can see the name on there, but yeah, these are Eibach springs. It's kind of dark in here, but stock suspension, OEM suspension. Fortunato. Beautiful. And then if you look back here, you can see those beautiful blue Swift springs. And then in the rear, we got the divorced suspension back here. You can see that right up there. I'm super happy with them. The ride, the comfort is just so much better than stock suspension on springs. Going over bumps and hitting potholes and any sort of bumps in the road are a lot smoother now, which is obviously really nice. So, and then once it settles in a little bit, we'll have the perfect fitment. So I'm really excited. Overall, gotta say I'd recommend Fortunato 500 coilovers. So pretty good experience. And yeah, excited to see kind of how they settle in, and if they don't drop enough over the next week or so, 2 weeks, then we'll just jack the car up, take the wheels off, adjust the height of like the lower collar or whatever it is that you can adjust, and then just bring it down to my preference. So overall, super happy, and that's that. So that's the update. I haven't filmed videos in over a month now, so hoping to get back into it soon. Like I said earlier in the video, it's been a busy year so far. Wedding planning with my fiance, and we just bought a house, so we're moving actually in sometime between May and July. We close in May, and our lease is up here at the rental in July. So, we'll be moving slowly but surely. So that's gonna take up a lot of time, but I'm excited to have more space. It's a 3-car garage as opposed to this tiny 1-car. So yeah, I'm really excited, and we'll get back to filming some content here soon. So appreciate you watching as always. Hit that sub button if you haven't already. If you like the M4, if you want more content, let me know. Drop a comment, and I'll be sure to respond. And I appreciate all the love, appreciate all the feedback, and as always, drive safe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.